valley, then the magma comes, a rift valley, then the magma comes. Understood it? So I said that there is a formation of rift valley. So what will happen in the divergent boundary? So what is the character of divergent boundary? Tell me. What is the character of divergent boundary? It is in a constructive margin. There will be, what is in a shallow focused earthquake with low intensity. There will be magma will come with the explosion or effusion. Effusion, basaltic magma. Then I said that mid-oceanic ridge, and then I said that rift valley. Mid-oceanic ridge and then rift valley. And then such regular process ने मुझे क्या दिया? Such regular process helped in formation of Atlantic Ocean. ये रेगुलर प्रोसेस ने मुझे क्या दिया? यस टेल मी. Formation of ocean floor, and which I said that Atlantic Ocean has come into existence. और उस डिप्रेस्ड रीजन में जैसे हमने बोला, in this depressed region water came. Understood? इसी को एक्सप्लेन करेंगे. That the plates started diverging at every point, and in the gap new magma is forming, and this way a large depression has been created, and this water coming, and still this ocean floor is what? Atlantic Ocean is expanding. Still Atlantic Ocean is still expanding. Shall I remove this? समझ में आ चुका है? This is the mid-oceanic ridge. In the similar manner, listen me carefully, in the similar manner, eastern part of Africa, the plates are diverging. There is one example, most of the example, आपने जैसे पहले दिखाया था मैंने कि Africa and America were together. Thereafter they started breaking. Several years ago, 200 million years ago, I taught you in the what? Continental drift. Similarly, if you see here, आज ये प्लेट क्या हो रहा है? धीरे धीरे डाइवर्ज हो रहा है. And when it is diverging, there is a formation of what? When it is in a diverging, then there is an, I said that diverger plates are like what? अभी ये हुआ है, यहाँ पे मैग्मा अभी नहीं आया. The plates started diverging, and there is a, what happened? रेनफॉल की वजह से वाटर गेट एक्यूमुलेटेड और यहां पे बहुत सारे लेक्स बन गए. इन द ईस्टर्न अफ्रीका सेवरल लेक्स हैज बीन फॉर्म्ड ड्यू टू द एक्यूमुलेशन ऑफ वाटर इन दिस रिफ्ट वैली. अंडरस्टूड इट? क्लियर? एंड व्हेन द जाम्बेजी रिवर इज कमिंग, देन स्टार्टेड फॉलिंग डाउन वाटरफॉल्स. देयर इज अ फॉर्मेशन ऑफ व्हाट? सो दिस इन ईस्ट अफ्रीकन रिफ्ट वैली. ये कहां से है? इट इज इन द इजराइल से है. और रेड सी इज आल्सो व्हाट? Going away. So this rift valley is what? Existing from Dead Sea in Israel, passing through Red Sea to the different lakes till Lake Nyasa in Africa. Lake Nyasa or Malawi, both are same. So write down the another example. Another example of divergent boundary. Another example of divergent boundary is along the eastern part of Africa, along the eastern part of Africa, which has been extended from Dead Sea in Israel, passing through Red Sea, which extended from Dead Sea in Israel. नाम सुना है? Dead Sea इजराइल में है. Dead Sea in Israel, passing through Red Sea. ये Red Sea है. This is what? ये Saudi Arabia and all Arabian Peninsula है. This is a Red Sea. Passing through Red Sea till Lake Malawi, MALAWI, Lake Malawi or Lake Nyasa. लेक मालावी और लेक न्यासा. Clear? Clear? In the future, they will far separate and construction of new oceanic floor with the Great Depression will come into existence. With Great Depression, or new oceanic floor with Great Depression will come into, and it will be filled up with water. It will be filled up with oceanic water. Clear? Such similar phenomena has been happened 200 million years ago when African and South American plates were together. Eurasian and North American plates were together. And due to convectional current of magma, this plate started diverging and due to divergence a new gap created in which basaltic magma solidified an ocean floor and Atlantic Ocean floor through such a regular process, and Atlantic Ocean floor through such a regular process with large depression and ingression of oceanic water, and in this and ingression मतलब वो जब डिप्रेशन कोई चीज बनेगा तो उसमें पानी आएगा ना, यस और नॉट. जैसे ही गड्ढा बना तो वहां पे आसपास से पानी आ गया, तो पानी कहीं और था, दिस वाटर इज ऑलरेडी समवेयर, देन देयर इज एन इंग्रेशन ऑफ ओशियानिक. इंग्रेशन का मतलब कोस्ट की तरफ आना, कहीं पे भी पानी को आना, इंग्रेशन ऑफ वाटर and created deep Atlantic Ocean. तो फ्यूचर में ये अफ्रीका भी टूटकर इट विल फॉर्म इन ए न्यू ओशियन, इट विल ऑल्सो फॉर्म अ. So what is happening at the divergent boundary? Tell me, what is happening at the divergent boundary? It is in a constructive margin. What is this? Constructive margin. What is happening at the this one? There is an, I said that shallow focused earthquake because it is in a 60 to 60 kilometer thick, 60 to 70, and there is a what volcanic eruption which is coming effusively, basaltic it is, and there is a mid oceanic ridge and there is a rift valley. ये रट जाए, first earthquake, second volcano, mid oceanic ridge, rift valley. Understood it? So these are the things, and then over the period it has been formed like this. Who has given this convectional current of magma? Tell me fast. Who has given this convectional current of magma? Sorry, who has given the force to plate to move? Convectional current of magma. Somewhere divergent, somewhere The two divergence lead to one convergence. आपने देखा था there is no two divergence lead to one convergence. ध्यान से अभी हम लोग प्लेट टेक्टोनिक स्टार्ट नहीं किए हैं, लेकिन ये खत्म भी हो जाएगा पता नहीं चलेगा, क्योंकि डेफिनेशन धीरे धीरे आएगा, क्योंकि यू कांट अंडरस्टैंड इन द इनिशियल. So we are going to see the forces responsible for plate movement. Forces responsible for plate movement. और ये आपके नोट्स में होगा, देख लेंगे, है नोट्स में, चेक आउट इन योर नोट्स. यहाँ पे भी प्लेट टेक्टोनिक होगा. Yes, page number 38. Page number 38. Page number 38. उसमें आप लोग देख लेंगे. Let me explain you better. So the forces responsible for yes, tell me what I said, that plate movement. First I said that which one? The most important is what? Convectional. The most important is this, convectional current of magma. And then another I said that ridge push. Which one I said that? Ridge push. And third one I said that slab pull. Which one I said that? Ridge push and slab pull. Yes. What is the density of continental plate? 2.7 gram per centimeter cube. What is the density of ocean plate? 3 gram per centimeter cube. Asthenosphere 2.9. 2.9 याद है. एंड उसके बाद 2.9 के बाद 3.5 to 4.5, 4.5 to 5.5. Perhaps you remember. Now there is a ridge. This is an uplifted region, or anything uplifted, it will put the gravity downward. वो बोलेगा कि मैं नीचे आना चाहता हूँ. Yes or no? They will tell what is it? Trying to come down. So the uplifted mid-oceanic ridge in the form of mountain, and they putting the gravity to move downward. So under the gravity, it is pushing the plate. Yes or not? And that is known as ridge push. Therefore, again, it is helping in the plate movement. Understood? All the explanation is there in the notes. जो मैंने बोला, same it is there. Understood? Who is under the gravity? Now, what is the density of ocean plate? 3 gram. रट जाएं. 2.7. This is 3. This is 2.7. This is 3, and this is 2.9. So at the point of subduction, क्यों ये अंदर जाने लगा? The reason behind, वो ऊपर में तैर नहीं सकता था. Yes, tell me. कभी आप देखते हो कि I said that what is an Archimedes principle is saying that, ध्यान से देखेंगे, if I am putting in a weight of 100 kg, suppose I said that I am putting in a weight of, तो this much sheep has gone inside, तो ये इतना गया, तो इतना ही क्या होगा? Water will replace, and water जैसे ही replace होगा, तो suppose करो कि water replace हुआ 120 kg. कितना? तो इतना वाटर हैज बीन रिप्लेस्ड, सो दे विल दिस रिप्लेस्ड एंड देन इसकी वजह से पानी ऊपर उठ जाएगा and this water will push it down, again it will come down. So 120 them, so who is putting the pressure upward? Buoyancy is which one? The amount of water displaced. So 120 will put, understood? There it will up. यदि यहां से 100 kg होता तो ये शिप किस पोजीशन में होता? Neither floating nor, so ये submerged position, मतलब एकदम यहाँ पे होता. 100 kg is weight and 100 kg in pushing. So for uplifting that they should put more force. That is known as a buoyancy force. That is known as what? तो they will release. तो यहाँ पर लेकिन हमें पता है कि iron is what is ना density is more than the water density. इसी तरीके से I said that similarly I said that ocean plate is more denser than the what is na astronosphere. But even then it is floating. Yes. लेकिन एट द पॉइंट ऑफ सबडक्शन उसको चांस मिला ऐसे जाने का, और यदि शिप को चांस मिलेगा ऐसे हो जाने का तो उतना वाटर हटाएगा नहीं जितना उसको अपलिफ्ट मिलना चाहिए. इफ इट इज इन 100 kg दे विल रिमूव ओनली 70 kg, सो इट विल सिंक डाउन. सो इन दिस कंडीशन इट इज नॉट एबल टू रिमूव दिस मच, तो इट इज इन अ डेंसर वन स्टार्टेड व्हाट सिंकिंग. तो यहां पे क्या हुआ? सो डेंसर I said that denser ocean plate at the point of subduction क्या हुआ? Started what? Sinking in the less denser. अरे जब subduction हुआ at the point of subduction what happened? Denser oceanic plate subducting below the less denser continental plate, and when it is subducting the denser ocean started sinking in the less denser astronosphere. Understood? Simple सा चीज है. Understood? Under the pull of gravity. यहाँ पे क्यों हो रहा है gravity? Why the gravity is there? Due to density changes. And this ocean plate is denser. Understood? क्या मैंने बोला इस स्टेज में? At the point of subduction, denser oceanic plate is sinking in the less denser astronosphere. Under the pull of simple. Anybody can give me single page?